CMOS battery replacement on HP15 R122NE. Thank you to Ma'am Maria for trusting PTT IT Solutions. CMOS battery replacement is a good choice when your laptop or desktop shows signs of timekeeping issues, BIOS settings resetting, or error messages at startup. The CMOS battery powers the BIOS, allowing it to retain system settings like time, date, and hardware configurations even when the device is powered off. Replacing the battery restores this functionality, ensuring your system maintains these settings and operates smoothly. It's a simple, cost-effective maintenance step that can prevent future issues related to the BIOS. CMOS battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your CMOS battery replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.